Hi, it's Rona making the Cute Life. Today I'm showing how I made this really cute leaf tray that I've been using as a candle tea light holder, but it could be a wee jewellery dish and things too. Honestly, it looks even better in person and I'm sure you could make it great too. So as you can see to start, I've got the outline of a leaf. You could draw that yourself, get it from Google, or I cheated and got my Cricut machine to draw it for me. Another cute thing that you could do is go and find some actual leaves and use them for this project. You could even push them into the clay and see if you could get the real veins to show through. After it was cut out, I opened my air dry clay. It was my first time using it and it was so easy to work with, just like Play-Doh. I've also used salt dough for this project before, which I'll link how to make below, because for that all you need is flour, salt and water. Then I just started to roll it out flat. You could really see my handprints, so instead of going for a rolling pin, I've just went in my drawer, grabbed the first thing that I could see, which was a can of hair mousse, and then I've rolled it out with that. But anything that you've got like that, just to roll it out until you can get it so that it's flat and it can fit your leaf on top. I picked up these clay tools for just a couple of pounds and it was so easy to go around and remove the bits that I didn't want. I wasn't too worried about it not being perfect because I knew that once I lifted the outline off, then I could kind of go round and sort it. And that's exactly what I did. I've just went round all the edges and I just kind of worked out any little rough looking bits and just kind of moulded them the way that I wanted. And then it was time to start drawing on the veins. I googled leaves and just to look at how far the veins go and stuff, and honestly I just loved this part. It just felt so artistic and it was just so nice and relaxing just to draw those on. To get it looking that kind of curled effect, I started like gently lifting each part of it, but then I realised it was going to kind of lower itself back down anyway, so I started to, it probably looks as if I'm curling it up too much, but yeah, I knew that it would kind of lower itself back down. You could roll something up like kitchen foil just to sit it around to keep it at the level that you like as well. After a day or two it was completely dry. If you use the salt dough or another type of clay, you can put it in the oven to get it to dry faster, but again just look into that first. But yeah, there you have it, homemade leaf tea light candle holders. You can paint them however you like. I just left mine white. There's a UK homeware company that I love called Pretty Little Home and they have done ones this year just the same in white and I loved them. So it was so nice to just make my own. But I hope this helps. Let me know if you try it And if you have any questions, just pop them below and feel free to follow along for more. Bye!